Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to email a doc as an attachment in Google Docs. We're diving into a feature that can make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine being able to share your documents without having to download them first, or open another app. Yes, Google Docs offers a built-in feature to send your documents directly via email, ensuring that the formatting remains intact, and making it simpler for recipients who might not be comfortable accessing Google Docs directly. It's a real time saver, especially for professionals and students who need to share documents quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the Google Docs document you want to share. Once you have the document ready, take your mouse cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File option in the Google Docs menu. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options to choose from. Here, you should look for the option that says Email as Attachment. This is the feature that allows you to send your document via email directly from Google Docs, without the hassle of downloading it first or using another platform. Now, let's talk about composing your email. After selecting Email as Attachment, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where you will enter all the necessary details for your email. Start by typing the recipient's email address in the designated field. It's crucial to double-check this part to ensure you don't accidentally send it to someone else. Below this field, you'll find a space for your email's subject line. Make sure it's concise yet descriptive, so the recipient immediately understands what the email is about. Moving further down, you'll notice a larger area where you can type your message. This is where you can include a brief explanation or provide some context about the document you're sending. Maybe it's a draft for review, a proposal for a project, or any other important document. Providing a little context here can help the recipient understand the purpose of the document and what you expect from them. Next, you need to choose the file type for your attachment. In the bottom left corner of the dialog box, there's a drop-down menu that lets you select the format of your attachment. You have options such as PDF or Word document. If you suspect that the recipient may encounter issues with certain file types, there's also a convenient option to tick the Don't Attach box. By doing this, the document will be included directly in the email body itself, which can be particularly helpful if you want to ensure the content is seen without any extra steps like opening or downloading files. Once you have all your details set and you're satisfied with everything in your email, it's time to click the Send button. And just like that, your email is on its way. But before we wrap up, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. When you use this method, you're sending a static copy of your document, which means the recipient will not have access to the live Google Doc itself. Also, Google Docs doesn't track emails sent this way, so you won't find them in your Gmail Sent Messages folder. However, if the recipient replies to your email, their response will appear in your Gmail inbox. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent your Google Docs document via email directly from within the app. This feature offers a streamlined and efficient way to share documents, especially when you need quick and direct communication. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to email a doc as an attachment in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to email a doc as an attachment in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.